Introducing the Goon Squad!
We can end the curse. For Shadyside. What the hell?
You see it now.
Sarah!
Hey! Hey! Please, I'm begging you. Please, please, please. You don't have to do this. I promise.
What are you waiting for, Billy?
Don't move! On your knees. Now! I'm a cop. What happened?
She assaulted me. They're lying. She murdered someone.
The current is running east. We use it to get to the coast. You're kidding. You got a better idea?
So do you think it's gone?
It's still out there, and it's close.
We don't get a lot of things to really care about. Who has my pig?